The boat industry is one of the oldest and most diverse industries in human history, stretching from the early wooden fishing vessels of ancient civilizations to today's technologically advanced cruise liners and military warships. Boats are essential not only for transportation but also for trade, tourism, national defense, and recreation. The industry is remarkably broad, encompassing luxury yachts, massive cruise ships, fishing trawlers, ferries, submarines, destroyers, and aircraft carriers. Each category reflects advancements in materials science, naval architecture, propulsion systems, and safety engineering. The physics behind boat design, buoyancy, hydrodynamics, and stability, remain central, but modern boat building also incorporates automation, renewable energy systems, advanced composites, and digital navigation technologies. Historical context of boat building. The roots of the boat industry date back thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians constructed reed boats for transport along the Nile, while the Phoenicians built wooden ships that enabled maritime trade across the Mediterranean. By the Middle Ages, European nations developed large sailing ships such as galleons which played vital roles in exploration and colonization. The Industrial Revolution marked a major turning point, introducing steel hulls, steam engines, and mass production techniques. Today, the industry is highly globalized, with specialized shipyards in Europe, Asia, and North America, producing everything from small yachts to the largest naval vessels. Small boats and yachts. One of the most dynamic sectors of the industry is the market for small boats and luxury yachts. Yachts are typically classified into sailing yachts, motor yachts, and mega yachts. They serve as symbols of wealth and prestige but also represent engineering excellence. Yacht construction increasingly relies on composite materials such as fiberglass reinforced plastic, FRP, and carbon fiber, which provide strength while minimizing weight. Hydrodynamic hull design is crucial, with deep V hulls offering speed and performance, while displacement hulls provide smoother rides for long-distance cruising. Recreational boating has become a multi-billion-dollar global industry, with hubs in regions like the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, and the U.S. coasts. Modern yachts integrate luxury with sustainability, featuring hybrid propulsion systems, solar panels, and water desalination units. The rise of electric and hydrogen-powered boats reflects the industry's response to environmental regulations and consumer demand for green technology. The cruise ship industry. At the opposite end of the spectrum, from small boats, lies the cruise ship sector, one of the most visible and economically significant segments of the maritime industry. Cruise ships are essentially floating cities, carrying thousands of passengers and crew across oceans. Major companies like Carnival Corporation, Royal Caribbean, and MSC Cruises dominate the market. Modern cruise ships can exceed 200,000 gross tons, equipped with restaurants, theaters, water parks, casinos, and even roller coasters. The materials used in cruise ship construction include high-grade steel for the hull, aluminum alloys for upper decks, and advanced fire-resistant materials for interiors. The physics of cruise ship design emphasizes stability and buoyancy, requiring precise calculations to ensure safety even under adverse weather conditions. Hydrodynamics plays a role in fuel efficiency, with bulbous bows and streamlined hulls reducing drag. However, cruise ships face environmental criticism due to high fuel consumption, emissions, and waste disposal. In response, the industry is adopting liquefied natural gas, LNG, as a cleaner fuel alternative and investing in waste treatment and energy-saving systems such as air lubrication hull technologies. Fighting boats and military applications. The naval defense sector represents the most technologically advanced part of the boat industry. Fighting boats range from small patrol vessels to large destroyers, submarines, and aircraft carriers. These vessels are critical for national security, maritime dominance, and power projection. Naval ships employ some of the most sophisticated materials, including high-strength steel, titanium alloys, and radar-absorbing composites for stealth. The physics of warship design requires balancing speed, maneuverability, and protection. For instance, hulls are shaped for both hydrodynamic efficiency and reduced radar cross-section. Propulsion systems often include gas turbines, nuclear reactors, or integrated electric drives for versatility and power. Modern naval vessels are equipped with advanced weapon systems, radar, sonar, missile defense systems, and automated command centers. Aircraft carriers represent the pinnacle of naval engineering, functioning as mobile air bases capable of projecting power globally. Submarines, on the other hand, embody extreme mastery of buoyancy and pressure management, using ballast tanks to control depth and specialized hull materials to withstand immense underwater pressures. Nuclear-powered submarines provide unmatched endurance and stealth, revolutionizing naval warfare. Materials used in boat construction. The choice of materials has evolved significantly over the centuries. Traditional wooden boats, though still used in artisanal and recreational contexts, have largely given way to metals and composites. Steel remains the most widely used material for large ships due to its strength and durability, while aluminum is popular for smaller high-speed vessels because of its light weight. Fiberglass reinforced plastic is widely used in the recreational boating industry due to its ease of molding, low maintenance, and resistance to corrosion. Carbon fiber composites are increasingly used in high-performance racing yachts and naval vessels where weight reduction is crucial. The interiors of cruise ships and yachts employ fire-resistant composites, lightweight alloys, and sustainable materials to meet both safety standards and environmental expectations. In addition to hull materials, coatings and paints play a vital role. Anti-fouling coatings prevent marine organisms from attaching to the hull, improving efficiency. Modern developments include nanomaterials and self-healing coatings that enhance durability and reduce maintenance costs. Physics of boat design. The physics of boat design revolves around three fundamental principles: buoyancy, stability, and hydrodynamics. Buoyancy ensures that vessels float by displacing a volume of water equal to their weight. The shape of the hull influences how efficiently this displacement occurs. Stability is achieved by managing the center of gravity and center of buoyancy. Naval architects carefully calculate weight distribution to prevent capsizing, particularly in cruise ships and warships that carry heavy equipment and superstructures. Hydrodynamics governs how water flows around the hull, impacting speed and fuel efficiency. Streamlined designs reduce drag, while innovations such as hydrofoils lift vessels above the water, drastically reducing resistance. Submarines rely on hydrodynamics and pressure-resistant designs to maneuver effectively underwater. Environmental challenges and innovations. While the boat industry contributes significantly to the global economy, it faces mounting scrutiny over its environmental footprint. Ship emissions, oil spills, and ocean waste are pressing concerns. International regulations such as those from the International Maritime Organization (IMO) mandate reductions in sulfur emissions and stricter waste management protocols. Technological innovations are helping address these challenges. Hybrid propulsion systems that combine diesel engines with batteries reduce fuel consumption. LNG-powered ships are gaining ground as cleaner alternatives to heavy fuel oil. Research into hydrogen fuel cells and fully electric vessels promises a greener future, especially in the yacht and ferry sectors. Cruise companies and naval industries alike are investing in sustainable practices, from closed-loop waste treatment systems to renewable energy integration. Wind-assisted propulsion using modern sails or rotors is being tested to reduce fuel usage on large cargo and passenger ships. Economic importance of the boat industry. The boat industry is a major contributor to global trade, tourism, and defense. Shipbuilding hubs in South Korea, Japan, and China dominate large-scale commercial construction, while Italy, Germany, and the Netherlands specialize in luxury yachts and cruise liners. The US, Russia, and the UK maintain powerful naval shipbuilding industries. The recreational boating sector supports millions of jobs worldwide, from marina operators to yacht manufacturers. The cruise industry generates billions annually, with ports around the world benefiting from passenger spending. Naval shipbuilding supports national security while driving research in advanced materials, nuclear propulsion, and automation technologies that often transfer to civilian industries. Future of the boat industry. The future of the boat industry is shaped by two main forces: technological innovation and sustainability. Automation, including autonomous ships and drones, will revolutionize both commercial and naval sectors. Artificial intelligence and advanced sensors will enable ships to navigate safely with minimal human intervention. Green technologies will dominate industry development, with an increasing push toward electric, hydrogen, and hybrid propulsion systems. Lightweight composites and nanomaterials will further improve efficiency. In naval applications, the integration of directed energy weapons, electromagnetic railguns, and unmanned systems will redefine maritime warfare. The luxury yacht sector will likely emphasize personalization, advanced digital technologies, and sustainable designs. Cruise ships will focus on efficiency, passenger experience, and compliance with stringent environmental regulations. The boat industry is one of the oldest and most diverse industries in human history, stretching from the early wooden fishing vessels of ancient civilizations to today's technologically advanced cruise liners and military warships. Boats are essential not only for transportation but also for trade, tourism, national defense, and recreation.